If you're a fan of fried chicken, but you want to have chicken that hasn't been fried, then baking your devil fried chicken is the next best option. In this recipe, the chicken soaks in a buttermilk brine for 6 hours or a day to tenderize the chicken. And the devilish part comes from the seasoning. It has a good dose of cayenne pepper and some garlic powder, and if you like some other type of seasoning, you can add that too. So basically it's very simple. It has the brine, then you mix it with some flour that has salt and baking powder, and then you're going to set it aside just to settle for about an hour before placing it in your hot oven in your convection mode. And I put it on a rack so that the air was able to circulate all the way around it. It doesn't get as crisp as if fried in oil, but it's not fried in oil, so it's a trade-off. I'm serving my fried chicken with a delicious steamed potato salad. I'm steaming the potatoes and hard-boiled eggs at the same time in my steam oven. It takes about 20 minutes. There are so many ways that you can cook with convection and with steam to make food preparation easier. I hope you'll be inspired. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.